Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day and I can dance a bit this morning because I feel a bit more content in my space. My house is kind of back to what we like it to be. It's not there yet 100%, but it's getting there. Do you see a new space behind me? Do you? Yes, you do. That's a new space that I've created. Let me give you a little update on what's going on. But first, hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are having a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, stay encouraged, be honest, be kind to one another. Love you guys. If it's your first time to the channel, consider subscribing before you leave or before you click off, because we do a lot around here. A lot. And we love the adventures, we love the outdoors. So if you're kind of people who enjoy seeing that with different cultures mixed together, because I'm Jamaican and my husband is French, so if you enjoy seeing those kind of content with our two crazy kids, just stick and stay. You heard it already. Look here, look what's going on. Look what's going on. What's going on? What's going on? The big brother says he's operating on her. So I guess he's a doctor now. Tyler, say hello to the faves.
Well done.
Sarah, say morning, faves.
Morning,
They are playing as usual. Look at them. Look at them over there. Look at them over there. Look at them over there. Look at them. Sarah knows screaming. Tyler.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Anyway, you guys, baby's off to work. Baby's off to the office today. But let me show you guys what's been happening for the past few days. Now, you guys may or may not know that I've been trying to transform the kids' room because Sarah is a big girl now. She needs to be out of the crib and into a big girl bed. So in order to do that, if you guys haven't seen the previous vlog, let me just catch you up to speed. So I changed out our son's room bed, give it to Sarah, and give him an upgrade with a desk because he's in school where he gets a lot of homework and he really needs his desk and his space, and he really not into the Paw Patrol, which his room was before. So we snap out of the Paw Patrol and snap into what he's into right now, which is mostly Naruto and Star Wars. So let me just give you an update on this space now. If you guys can tell me where this is coming from, then you've been paying attention. Now, this closet was in Sarah's room and it was black with some baskets on the top of it. So I took it from Sarah's room to give Sarah some more space and put it in this space. Paint it in white, change it from the black, drop a plant on top of it, stash a photo right there, and voila, we have this space. Now, this was also brown. I changed it into white so that I can create a blend in this space right here. This photo was over here. Now I changed this pot to make it clean and polished with I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I live by that saying, love that saying. So this is our little family corner right here. Quick update. Now I need to take out some of these shoes from under here and put them where they're supposed to go, because we only keep shoes under here which you go in and out in every day, like slippers and stuff. But for some reason sometimes it just gets overloaded. So that's this space right now. Boom, love it. No, my plants are not real. Plants cannot survive in this house, so I rather spend the money to buy the fake ones. So every plant that you see in this house, they're fake. Yes. And then we head to the kids' room for me to show you the upgrade. And now Sarah have this space. The closet that I showed you just now was in this corner, which is now Sarah's dresser corner and her kitchen. I need to fix her wall. I have a Mickey frame to put up there with her name on it, and I just need to take off this photo which looks super tacky and just leave put a frame with a few of them in a frame up here. So this wall need to fix. Then she have all her family hanging out, just chilling here. And then Sarah is into stuffed animals. Oh my god, she recently got this one over the weekend because she's obsessed with Peppa Pig. So this is George, and she loves all of these stuffed toys, and she wants them on her bed, she wants them up here. No, Sarah took over the Paw Patrol aspect of things. So Tyler had all of these. Now Sarah is into the pups business. So Sarah got the Paw Patrol writing board, she got the Paw Patrol bed, she got the Paw Patrol couch, because that's what Sarah is now into. So that is Sarah's upgrade space, and this is Tyler's upgrade space, which is not finished. The only thing that is left to really give this room a complete look is Tyler's carpet, which is coming from another country. We ordered online, so it won't get here until the next 2 weeks. But yeah, this is Tyler's room for now. He's loving his space. He just finished doing this Lego car, so it's just chilling here. Ty, you have something on your desk to throw away. Take it up.
And I decide to keep the...
It's perfect right there. It's perfect like that, Ty. It's very beautiful. And Sarah come in this room and she know exactly which basket to go to, because this basket have all the Paw Patrol toys in there. She says she's playing. Oh my gosh. And we give Tyler an upgrade of all this. The black baskets now made it up. Sarah, come and pack up if you finish. Put it back if you finish with it, okay? Good job. Turn the handle around. Bravo. Good job. Oh, and this made it to the wall. We bought these in New York, so I stick them onto their doors. So Tyler have his on his door, and Sarah have hers on her door. So yeah, that's what took up all of my weekend. But I am happy it is done. It is complete. And my home feel like a home. And oh, you're asking now, where is my bike that was in this space where the closet is now? Let me show you, because now I have literally a gym. So I also organized around this section, which was a whole mess. So this big box that you see up here have so many toys in it, so much toys, which needs to donate and also needs to give away. So that's going to be figured out. So my bike made it around here. Have my workout bench, have my workout machine, and then the treadmill is there. So yeah, things came together and boom. I woke up this morning and I got my workout in, which felt so good because I haven't worked out all week last week. I think probably one day I worked out. So I'm really happy that I was able to get my workout in this morning. now I'm going to leave you guys. Love you, but I have to leave you to go and get some work done and just navigate through my day and do what I have to do around here. So love you guys, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Look at him combing her hair.
Good at the back.
Continue brushing her hair now.
I put in oil.
Look at him. It's his focus for me. He's so focused. Oh my god. She ran away from you. Lunchtime for my little people.
And after we're going to digest a bit before to go back training.
You're
I'm
funny.
going to the final.
Look at Sarah. Sarah, it's yummy. You're to eat your pasta, okay? Enjoy. Bon appetit.
And Mama,
Sit on the chair properly.
you give utensils to Sarah, everything, and then you give me.
No, I gave you, but you forgot it. Back to the good stuff after all that party and weekend craziness. First meal of the day. So in here I have pecans, raspberries, avocado, tomatoes, egg, bacon, salad, and my salad is lettuce and arugula is under the bottom. Boom. Squad off to the bowl. Squaddy. Off the pool we go on this hot day. from the pool and in the kitchen making dinner for the fam bam. So I'm whipping up some rice for the kids and minced beef for everybody and veggies for everybody. So you guys already know what I'm gonna have, just the veggies and the minced beef, and the kids will have the rice, the veggies and the minced beef. So that's what's on the menu today. What I tell you about screaming, little girl?
She turned it full, little girl. She's a little girl.
Coming here to end to the vlog. Yes, I'm here, I'm alone, somebody gone to bed, and yeah, somebody just tired. So I'm here and I hope you all had a wonderful day. I hope you all doing well, because it's been a little time. I didn't really take much time to come and to share some time with you. So yeah, I hope you all doing well. It's almost the end of August. Well, it's already back to work for us. So, but for the kids, is the last full week, before back to school. So that's gonna be a great changement for the parents. That's the time when all of the parents are waiting for back to school. So yeah, but first we have a lots to do to make them enjoy the last week of vacation. So I'm sure you don't want to miss that. So come back tomorrow. Thank you. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, to comment, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.